Hi, my name's James. I picked Este Medical Group to get my hair done 4 months ago. The reason why I did this was to get to look a bit better and also just to have more hair. I looked up on the internet, I had several searches for companies to do hair transplants from Turkey. So I came in to Este in Glasgow, I phoned up for an appointment, met Bobby, took me through the procedure. After talking to him, put me at ease, totally relaxed with him, and I just felt this was the company to go with. I had other offers for different companies to take me to Turkey, but I just felt right with this one. I felt confident they could deliver. I had PRP treatment 4 months prior to the operation. That was Amanda, who I met, who's really lovely and really takes care of me. The treatment was harmless, it was not sore one bit. I would definitely recommend it for treatment to go before you go, because it really did help my hair grow in a lot quicker. I was a bit apprehensive, a bit nervous about flying before I went over, but when I was there I was totally put at ease with the driver. I was well looked after, very professional, very clean, very hygienic clinic. The first day I went there was to get the procedure done, and it was very quick and very easy. Flying to Edinburgh, the day I came back from Edinburgh Airport, I came back to Glasgow's clinic to get my hair checked and washed. Very professional again, very well looked after, very happy with the flights and stuff. Came back and 10 days later, I came back to get my hair washed, get the scabs off. My results so far have been really good. I've still got a bit to go, it's only been 4 months, but you can see my hair starting to come in already. And also, I'm still getting PR treatment, which is helping it grow in. So I would definitely get PRP treatment because it seems to be working very well. I can't wait to see the end results, but I need to be very patient because it takes 12 months. But in 6 months, I'll see even more results because I can see them coming in already. So I'm very happy, and I'm very chuffed that I went to Este Medical Group.